Hello everyone, today I'm in Dortmund. I woke up early and it is 9 a.m. right now. I eat something in breakfast and here I am ready to travel around the city. And what we have here is Reynolds Church, St. Reinhold Church. So as always, let's start with the first impression of the city. I arrived to city last night. I directly went to the hotel and spent the night there, and I actually haven't seen much places yet, but for now I can say that this city doesn't really look like a German stereotype city, you know, because I'm not used to seeing those kind of wide roads for the cars, and also like a lot of construction is going on over here, so it doesn't feel so friendly so far, but no prejudices. We will see the rest of the places that are worth to see. I have my road planned. Here we are in Alter Market. So there is a square-like place. You know that I'm not really fan of these modern buildings. They're nothing special. I'm expecting to see some more historical places, and when I asked the person in the hotel, in the registration desk, he told me if I really want to see some historical places, Cologne is the place that I should be going. I will be going there tomorrow, but today in Dortmund, let's discover if there is anything worth to see here except for Borussia Dortmund. So there's this church behind me, and its name is Propsteikirche, Propstei Church. So the building over here is Rathaus of Dortmund, Town Hall of Dortmund, and what we see over here is there are some markets that people can buy. I'm seeing some broccoli over there, some stuff like veggies, some fruits over here. While doing it, if you feel hungry, there is this sausages over there, and there's a bakery over there that you can buy and eat on street. That's how it goes. Very close to the Altstadt and very close to the Rathaus, what we have here is a Stadtgarten, and it's just like a small garden over here. And also it is so close to the U-Bahn, which will take us to our next destination. Okay, let's move. Okay, I come to a park. Its name is Westhallen Park, Westhallen Dortmund, and there is a Florian-Turm, which is I believe Turm is tower. So I would like to climb at the top of the tower, but I cannot do it because it says it's open at 2 p.m. and at that time I'll be in Düsseldorf already. So unfortunately I cannot go at the top of it. So at the top of that I was planning to show you the city from above, which could be good, but unfortunately we couldn't do it. Okay, since we are in Dortmund, there was no other chance for me to come and visit this stadium of Signal Iduna Park, the stadium of Borussia Dortmund, and it's a very good football club, you know, like one of the top 3 clubs in Germany. I can say currently, like, of course Munich is the most successful one, and also I guess Leipzig and Dortmund are top 3 teams in Bundesliga right now. Let's see if I can get inside. I will try to. Okay, here we are in the stadium. This is where Borussia Dortmund plays their home games. Signal Iduna Park. It's a good stadium. Okay, after stadium tour, after Signal Iduna Park tour, our Dortmund trip has ended. Right now I am in the Hauptbahnhof and I'm moving to Düsseldorf, and I will take a video there as well. And then the coming day my plan is to go Cologne. This is basically it. I know there are some places that I couldn't see just because they were not open yet, and I woke up early, started traveling early, so some places open so late. For instance, I was gonna go to another museum and it was not open. Okay, whatever. I will see you in the next videos.